Good morning, I am Bharat and you are watching The Hot Topic. After a shockingly dismal NFP result last Friday, the US dollar went into a tailspin. And here's what happened. The euro dollar jumped by 1.9% and reached a 3-week high at 1.1365. On a weekly basis, it increased by 2.3%. The dollar yen on the same day dived by 2.2%. The cable rose from 1.4410 to 1.4580 before retracing gains on fears of a Brexit. And predictably, the gold surged over $30 at 1247 levels following the data release. This is a perfect example of when the fundamentals get in the driver's seat. The release of Nonfarm Payrolls data revealed that only 38,000 new jobs were added in May, less than a third of the previous month's NFP data. The last time the NFP number was lower than this was over 5 years ago, back in September 2010. So, it comes as no surprise that the Federal Reserve officials are now seriously questioning whether an interest rate increase will be likely in coming months. In particular, Fed Governor Brennett implied that the NFP data were average and, through her comments, hinted that she might not be voting for an interest rate increase during this month. She also expressed her concerns on the likelihood of a Brexit on 23rd of June, when the referendum takes place in the UK, and the unfavorable impact that this could have both on the US economy and the global markets. Coming up this week, the Chinese trade data for the month of May is due out on Wednesday 3 a.m. GMT. The expectation is for the trade surplus to widen compared to the previous month's data. And on Thursday, China's consumer and producer price inflation data is due, with an expectation that consumer prices will have risen last month, while producer prices are expected to have fallen. And tomorrow at 9 p.m. GMT, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand has a monetary policy update. This one may prove interesting, with analysts split over which way it may go. Some of us are expecting no change, while others are forecasting a 25 basis point cut to a record low of 2%. That's it for this week. A lot of US dollar damage. What do you think the rest of the week holds for the greenback? Comment below and let us know. I am Bharat and you've been watching The Hot Topic.